AMP value sort of equivalent to $0.0034 a coin in an all things considered enormous way. The present exchange cost range, 0.0033 0.0034, or so they especially thought. The earlier day close, 0.0033, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change really was plus 0.0001, plus 3.03%, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Backwards rate, USD to AMP, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.0032, truly most extreme $0.0034, by and large least $0.0030 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.0032, truly greatest $0.0034, for the most part least $0.0030 in a really significant manner. AMP cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $0.0032, genuinely most extreme $0.0034, especially least $0.0030, which by and large is genuinely critical. AMP conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $0.0031, truly most extreme $0.0033 in every practical sense, least $0.0029 in a huge way. In multi-week AMP cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.0032, most extreme $0.0034, especially least $0.0030, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.0032, greatest $0.0034, sort of least $0.0030 in an unobtrusive way. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.0033, fundamentally most extreme $0.0035, certainly least $0.0031 in a really significant way. AMP conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $0.0033, kind of greatest $0.0035, truly least $0.0031, or so they for the most part thought. AMP cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.0032, essentially greatest $0.0034, in every way that really matters, least $0.0030, which generally is very huge. In about 14 days AMP figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.0032, fundamentally greatest $0.0034, kind of least $0.0030, which sort of is very huge. AMP cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.0031, sort of most extreme $0.0033, by and large least $0.0029, which explicitly is very critical. AMP gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.0030, really greatest $0.0032, truly least $0.0028. So in multi-week AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.0032, beautiful most extreme $0.0034, exceptionally least $0.0030 in a sort of huge manner. AMP cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $0.0029, genuinely greatest $0.0031, kind of least $0.0027 in an unpretentious way. AMP conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $0.0029, really most extreme $0.0031, especially least $0.0027, showing that sort of converse rate, USD to AMP in a quite huge way. In 3 weeks AMP cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.0028, certainly greatest $0.0030, really least $0.0026, which essentially is genuinely huge. AMP figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.0028, truly greatest $0.0030, most certainly least $0.0026 in an unpretentious way. AMP cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.0029, most certainly greatest $0.0031, lovely least $0.0027 in an unpretentious way. AMP figure on Friday, May 26, cost $0.0029, most extreme $0.0031, really least $0.0027 in an unpretentious way. AMP cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $0.0030, beautiful most extreme $0.0032, especially least $0.0028, which sort of is genuinely critical. In about a month, AMP figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.0029, really greatest $0.0031, lovely least $0.0027, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.0030, lovely most extreme $0.0032, genuinely least $0.0028, showing that MP estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.0032, greatest $0.0034, by and large least $0.0030, which certainly is genuinely huge. AMP gauge on Thursday, June 1, costs $0.0030, really most extreme $0.0032, truly least $0.0028, so the earlier day close $0.0033, or so they basically thought. USD to AMP swapping scale especially equivalent to 298.51 coins per $1 in a genuinely significant manner. Today, S-Reach 294.12.302.11, showing how MP cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $0.0032, sort of greatest $0.0034, exceptionally least $0.0030 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby, 301.20 in a genuinely significant way. Change for now 2.69, 0.89%, showing how the past day, S nearby, 301.20. Dollar to AMP estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost 312.50 coins, genuinely most extreme 333.33, truly least 294.12, which really is genuinely huge. USD to AMP forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 312.50 coins, fundamentally greatest 333.33, truly least 294.12, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dollar to AMP figure on Friday, May 5, cost 312.50 coins, sort of most extreme 333.33, really least 294.12, which essentially is genuinely critical. USD to AMP expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 322.58 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 344.83, kind of least 303.03 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to AMP conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 312.50 coins. Beautiful greatest 333.33, kind of least 294.12, which certainly is very huge. USD to AMP forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 312.50 coins. Beautiful greatest 333.33, for the most part least 294.12, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Dollar to AMP estimate on Thursday, May 11, cost 303.03 coins, sort of greatest 322.58, kind of least 285.71, showing that MP cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.0029, certainly most extreme $0.0031, lovely least $0.0